Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, guys. How are you today? How is your morning? I hope you're doing well, guys. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. Hello, hello. So, guys, I'm a bit seem slow today. Guys, how is the sound? It's okay. Good evening. Hello, hello. How is the sound, guys? Is it okay? Oh, it's okay. Okay. It's okay. It's low, a bit low. What about now? Better? Volume up. It's okay right now? Okay. Had to make sure. Okay, trying to right now show you my pre-market plan. Let me take screenshot of this. So honestly, hard to say about bias and CUNY yesterday. Okay, it was my pre-market plan. I finished for options this at 8:06. So my plan was like I consider potential smart money reversal from 4-hour bullish fair value gap on both ES and NQ. And as I mentioned in my pre-market plan, I see 15-minute smart money reversal. But in order to stay within this market maker buy model, we need to hold New York midnight open. So this means if New York midnight is open broken, this means that will invalidate first stage of market maker buy model. It should immediately drop towards this previous day low level. We got this immediate drop. Honestly, I didn't expect to get this immediate drop right at news, so it was just impossible to engage according to my plan. So a bit annoying, right? Once New York midnight open is broken, smart money reversal is broken. I will look for short to aim for the bottom of 4-hour fair value gap at 822, pretty much where we are right now, and I will refine it toward weekly open. So I don't know, guys. I still feel like I would like to see lower today. Slightly lower to weekly open, the test of new week opening gap on NQ. So let's see if we get this move. So I mentioned this as to leave runner toward this weekly open. Once again, it was impossible to end according to my plan because I want to short below New York midnight open. We got just immediate drops there, so it's okay. So let's see if we get another opportunity. I don't have plan. My pre-market plan play out, so we will see. But we got perfect SMT before, right? Let's see. NQ, yeah. Guys, who traded news? Who was in this short trade? I will not tell you like you did good job because it's more like gambling probably, but still nice move down. Took scalp long. You mean from here, right? Mm-hmm. Got it. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at gold. So gold still trading within a 4 hour and hourly range. So I don't really like this. But once again, I read somewhere yesterday on Twitter, someone said like gold trading inside the range, high time frame range, it's impossible to trade this every day. I was like, what? Because yes, gold trading inside with like huge range, as you can see over here on daily chart. But intraday trading on gold was like 10 times easier than on NQ. I know like what people talking about. Like gold was only one instrument that was easy to trade really. Even if yeah, let me fix this. Even if we are inside range on high time frame. Because when we were inside the range on high time frame on NQ, it was ugly on lower time frame as well. Oh, today is 14, right? Yeah, my bad. Sorry, guys. Let me fix this. So, good morning. So, change from 12 to 14. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, it's quite choppy, but I know, like still tradable. You said you bullish on gold. I also more bullish than bearish, so same plan. So initially I was looking for the target at this green line, so at 3423.80. So I'm looking somewhere from looking for long. Let's see where I can get this long. Maybe we'll go slightly lower first, but I still would like to look for long anyway. Let's see if may respect this hourly fair value gap. Let's see where we can close in 2 minutes. We have some sell side lower, so I will accept situation if it wants to drop first. I will be fine with this, you know. Maybe something like this. Guys, how bullish on gold, how bearish, let me know. What levels you would like to aim for today? Honestly, I kind of not interested in longs on NQ. I feel like I'm more bearish on NQ. Gold bearish for you. It's okay. What level you would like to aim for? We can adjust our bias during the day. I see absolutely nothing wrong with this. 3373. Mm-hmm. Oh, you're looking for what level you looking for? What level you have at 73? Projection? Tell me so. Maybe I'm blind. I just don't see any key levels at 73 just yet. Like, what level at 73, if you don't mind me to ask? I feel like I don't see. I like just current picture more bullish than bearish, in my opinion. But once again, I will be happy to flip my bias if I see invalidation. I just feel like I'm more bullish right now. Just would like to see slightly higher first. At least 3360. Okay. Oh, not trade. Not in trade. No, nothing to trade yet. Just trying to analyze, you know. If I want to long, what level I would like to use for long. For example, it can be hourly fair value gap, but we need to get smart money reversal for this. Nothing yet. So let's see if we get something. Trying to find some key levels, you know, in discount of this huge move up. We have huge liquidity void. It was news, I believe, right? 8 a.m. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, I'm going to highlight this fair value gap, specifically 50%. Liquidity void, right? Oh, I got 73 is 50% of our fair value gap. Am I right about this? Middle line. Green. I'm fine slightly lower, so I see nothing wrong with this. I'm a bit bearish on gold, sweep 79, then 17. Okay, yeah. Once again, I will be fine with this. So move slightly low. Even like guys, right now we don't have any stop for long. So it stops me for long just yet. If it doesn't want to provide smart money reversal from hourly fair value gap, obviously we're not long this. Like, okay, maybe even if it's going to close below this blue line, let me change to blue, I will look for short. Yeah. Below this blue line, I can look for short. Stop quite big, like 10 points, it's a lot. So I need to trade either like small size, or I don't know, like try to look for another stop loss, maybe like bodies. I know yet. Let's see if we close first. So as you can see, we're trying to respect hourly fair value gap. We were trying to respect, but it didn't offer any smart money reversal signs. Just for now, no longs, but no shorts as well. Like it's tricky area, like area of this like decision rate. Is point of reversal or continuation? Let's see. So far, nothing, right? Just yet, nothing too long as well as nothing too short. I mean, there was short over here, but I don't see any other setups just yet. Time frame alignment, I don't think like he talked about this. The very first person who talked about a time frame alignment was MMXM Trader. That's it. I don't think like ICT talk about this. This was first guy who started talking about time frame alignment chart. I believe so. Hope it helps. Good morning, everyone who just joined. Good morning, guys. So still nothing. Like yes, we closed inside our fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. He talked about time frame alignment. Where? I never seen that. I don't remember. So yeah, I didn't know about this. So I learned this from MMXM Trader. So I'm not going to lie. Maybe I should see. Yeah, maybe I should see talk about this. I just never seen that. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Hello, hello. Good evening. Hello, hello. Hmm. Okay, I'm going to check for you. Yes, you should wait. I'm going to check for you. Sometimes, yes, we have delay with this. Sorry about that. Oh, no problem. Hello, hello. How are you? Oh, I didn't take this trade, so as I said yesterday, if I see like perfect setup, I will start early. So I didn't engage in this trade. See? Nothing taken yet. Yet. It was right before news. Honestly, I wasn't comfortable. I felt like I'm more bullish. I wasn't comfortable to short this. So nothing yet. Just yet. I spotted this like in real time, but I wasn't comfortable to engage. Especially with respect to hourly fair value gap. I didn't know like about this. Hello, hello. Traded was like 50-50. You want to short ES. I didn't want to touch it before news, honestly. Hard to say which instrument is better for SMT, to be honest. Sometimes nothing. I use both, as you can see, but I know. What is better? Right? So trying to respect our fair value gap. Let's see if we get smart money reversal. Because if so, smart money reversal we will closure above a sequence of these 3 down close candles to aim for Asia high. We have nothing too long yet. At least I don't see something too long yet. Silver, okay. I mean, I use both, but I know, like, both works. Sometimes it's hard, I agree with you. Didn't talk about NQ yet. I posted my pre-market plan and said, like, it's already play out. So it was my pre-market plan. It's already play out, so I'm not sure about the bias for the day. Maybe I would like to see slightly lower. But I don't know. I would like to see weekly open probably on NQ at 764, like 70 points away. Can we get weekly open, new week opening gap? I know. As I mentioned in my pre-market plan, I believe runner towards weekly open, but it's just runner. This means I'm not sure, right, about this weekly open just yet. Here's Japanese yen. Potential for our sweep. Let's see if it was confirmed by. Yeah, it was confirmed. Okay. We already got 2R. Okay, we already got this move. Okay. Already happened. Now didn't to look for continuation for me. Potential for our SIP must be confirmed by 15-minute order block. Yes, we got this. Another chance to enter was over here. Okay. Nice move down. Japanese yen pretty much nice recently as well, right? Some forex pair, like nice. I don't like to use slow time frame on forex pairs. I like to like swing trade this probably more. Let's see what we got on daily first. Perfect rejection from previous week high level, which was my target. Yesterday I was aiming for daily open. It just took millions times, like millions years, not times, millions years to reach this daily open. Yeah, I was looking for the test of daily open somewhere like short from here. It just took so much time. It's okay, so nothing. I didn't like to, like intraday era, but swing trading is nice. I just see, I don't know why, like it's fractal, I know, but high time frame candles, easier to trade than lower time frame. Especially switching like on 1 minute chart, it's quite choppy to me. Okay. Still nothing on gold. Or they talk about gold. So we closed inside hourly bullish fair value gap. I'm not really from Russia, I'm from Belarus, but yeah, yes, next to Russia. So we closed inside hourly fair value gap, and I was looking for potential smart money reversal to long to Asia high, but still nothing. Invalidation of this trade could be closure below a sequence of up close candles. Still nothing, so I cannot short just yet, I cannot long just yet. Must wait. Unfortunately, or fortunately. So basically, at least something like this. No, not like something like this. Give me 1 second. Low resistance, first buy side. At least something like this. Okay, give me 1 second. I don't mind to see picture higher. At least since we got low resistance to upside, very first buy side liquidity over here. We talk about this many times, right? If it's going to close above blue line, so this scenario should be in play. If it's going to close below this blue line, it's going to be in validation of hourly bullish PD rate to downside. So it's just choppy, quite choppy right now. It's sitting in the zone where like it's better to wait for setup with order block, because I wouldn't just blindly long from this hourly fair value gap. So we'll look for long above blue line. That's it. Not right now. As well as I cannot short just yet. I hope it makes sense. Just doesn't make sense to long yet. Okay. I will try to be patient, so. Guys, remember we talked about long yesterday on gold? It was nice long, and lots of people voted for 2 for short, and actually we were right about this move. Right? This long, we talked about this long yesterday. I stopped out of break even. It was a bit painful break even, but I engaged in short from here to here. This leg. Settings. Here you go. I don't, like I never like change settings over here because I don't use this. Like how many contracts suggest to trade, like I don't use this. I'm not sure if it's going to help you somehow. 33.49. What's the price on gold? So I don't need to compare. Around here. Oh, you're welcome. I'm not sure if it helped you, honestly, because I never change settings. It's like default. I use this to see where is to R. Yes, we have time to trade gold between 9:50 and 10:10 macro, so this 20 minutes window, time window. Yes, we can trade it between 9:50 and 10:10. On NQ, I don't mind to see the test of new week opening gap first. I will be not going to lie. I will be surprised to see just a V-shaped reversal from current zone. Will be surprised to see this. But everything is possible in this world, so nowadays to predict. So basically on NQ, yes, we have a reaction from previous day low level. Let's see what level we're trying to respect on NQ. Okay, we just balance daily fair value gap. We just reach daily order block. Okay, nice. Probably. We reach daily OB price trying to respect this. So far on third chart, we reach bottom of our fair value gap. Basically, we balance this. On 1 hour chart, nothing. Like hourly OB. On gold, once again, it's not short, it's not long yet, still nothing. Trying to respect daily order block so far. Gold, nothing yet. I cannot long this just yet. I cannot short this just yet. So long above blue line over here, short below blue line over here. That's it. It's the Kier's zone, for example, where we are right now. It's not short, it's not long. Just need to wait within this zone. Let me clean my chart a little bit. Will be totally possible. So I'm not going to predict right now. My initial plan on NQ was a short to weekly open, like, you know. Oh, give me 1 second. Was planned like this, like look for short, long from weekly open. So we never did weekly open, so I'm not sure if I can engage in long just yet. Your drawn liquidity higher. Okay. It was my zone of reversal yesterday. We never reached this. We were close to 4 standard deviation, like 10 points away. Large. Hard to say. We already got huge move. Huge. Maybe they will try to like balance this leg, at least 50% of this leg down. But hard to talk about big range. Totally possible. Just I don't want to predict. I don't mind to see slightly lower first, like weekly open at least. I'm not going to lie. As well as I don't want to see long slightly higher. Gold. Gold slightly higher, yeah. You know what I see on daily right now? I'm sorry, guys. I see on daily we took both previous day high and previous day low level. That's why it feels like quite choppy. And on hourly, it's consolidation, like people call this like double sweep, right? We got sweep of buy side, we got sweep of sell side. Let's see if we get a sweep of Asia high again. What's the time? Oh, I don't live in Belarus for the last 9 years. No, I was born there, but I moved like 9 years ago. That's why, like looking at hourly chart, it feels like just on hourly, it feels like more bullish. Just I don't mind to see slightly higher. Yesterday I mentioned on my fund Twitch TV that I was long on my personal account on gold to 34.30. And this night I stepped out at break even, but we were close yesterday. See this? Like 7 points away. What was the problem? Come on. I'm not disappointed. Good experience with this trade. Still, once again, I will look for potential long setup above blue line. Not sure about stop loss yet. Not sure about exact entry point as well yet. Yesterday, nice trade. I recovered my loss from 2 days ago. Made extra, so green on the week on my fund teachers accounts. Happy with this, so happy. This year, I will let you know. Maybe I will soon. My epics like don't feel well. My accounts on epics don't feel well because like I'm kind of afraid on them last couple of weeks. Did you change the not sure. Is it bad quality? Let me check on my phone. I blew my funded accounts last year. It was last time, but I will let you know about these Apex accounts. Feels like it's good quality. I'm checking on my phone right now. Full board shorts below shorts below this line. Like once again, I have a plan. Like I will short below blue line over here. Will long above blue line over here. So you know, I decided just to trade gold on my funded futures and trade NQ and Apex. It was bad decision. So Apex accounts don't feel well. I'm not going to lie. It's okay, but it is what it is. I will let you know, guys, once I'm done with them. It was like good to hold them for 7 months, but 6 months. But I don't touch them right now. Like just trying to focus on gold and trade my funded futures accounts and take profit trader. How many accounts? 20 accounts. You know, I copy them. They like still alive, but they don't feel well. Funded accounts. Oh, you don't want to be like me, so. But yes, it was. I already said like, it was hard to trade recently in Q for me, and yes, I don't know why I decided to trade Apex on Apex and Q. I just like I don't know like, it's okay, so not disappointed. Good experience. Once I blow them, I will pass again. I will try again. So why not? Okay, what we have in gold? Still choppy, right? Still pumping higher, and Q retest of weekly open will be nice to see. Exactly so. Positive vibes, exactly so. Chart color. By the way, I changed colors like a couple of days ago, and I do like them so far. It's for green color. Guys, don't type in the chat right now. It's green color. That's great color. Gray color. Here's a black color and background is something between gray and white. Over here. First one green, second one like gray color, and last one is background. That's it. You know, same for NQ. When I trying to trade shorts, it's going higher. I'm trying to trade long, it's going lower. Like I need to trade against my plan. Sometimes. It's okay, so I'm doing well on gold. That's what I like. 2R and more, so I would like to aim for 2R. Mostly I closed 90% of my position 2R. Well, guys, how big is this range? Let's focus right now. 8 points. Full board? You sure? All in? You sure? Oh, you long this forex pair? Okay. Short below blue line, so let's see if me gets the closure. Ah, not in trade yet. So plan was, where is my drawing tool? Plan was is to short below order block, basically blue line over here, closure, which will confirm continuation. So basically we got first OB, order block like short for 2R. I highlighted this on my screen, right? So continuation, so basically next 30-minute candle should over here should offer fresh order block, which is going to be, I hope below this blue line. Good morning, who just joined? Good morning, guys. I was looking for short to daily open yesterday, daily open on Euro yesterday, but never like offered setup. Remember I said I will short 5-minute order block, never offered 5-minute OB. So I decided to just stay away. I wouldn't say we have empty model just yet. So recently, like last couple of not weeks, okay, like this week, empty model just inside consolidation. So even if we got a 9 a.m. open, we didn't trade below, we didn't trade above 9 a.m. open just yet. So I'm from Belarus. Yeah, that's Russian accent. Okay, all right, guys. Let's see if we get something today. If not, then okay, we'll try again tomorrow. Guys, once again, I decided to just start steaming early at 8:45, 8:40 a.m. to trade pre-market, specifically gold. So if I see setup early, I will just start steam early. No trades today. I saw perfect short in real time on gold, and I was about to go live, but I didn't engage in this trade because it was right before news, and we were close to this hourly fair value gap. I'm not going to lie, I didn't feel comfortable initially to long this, but it's played out nicely. So okay, guys, we got the closure. Let's see. Let me delete this scenario then. I don't need this anymore. We got the closure below. Why I'm looking for this closure, let me explain why. So basically, before this, we got, I'm not going to provide trade idea yet, so just need to look for better stop loss. So we got potential sweep. So 3-minute order block, confirm potential sweep. Yes, we got to R. Perfect. We still trading inside this range, so we didn't hit sell side, which is also equal lows. And I was like, okay, if next candle will offer fresh 3-minute OB, which is basically these up close candles, right? 1, 2, 3. I will look for another short to aim for at least equal lows. Maybe not that much, but equal lows. As you can see, just yet, it's not 2R. It's not going to be 2R. It's going to be less than 1R trade. So I hate less than 1R trade. So I will look for maybe entry if it's going to trace something. But for example, as you can see, I need to risk right now like 9 points to make 6 points. No, thank you. Or for example, I can just put aggressive stop loss. Yesterday I was comfortable too long. I was confident with long trade, but right now it's quite big stop loss. I need at least 1.5 R. Yes, at least 1.5 R. Like not worth to trade. The setup is 1 R, less than 1 R. Let me give you 1 second. This one is better, but this stop loss is extremely aggressive. Because that's mean threshold of order block. Like why I'm using mean threshold of order block, because normally when we have like break above bearish order block, mean threshold of bearish order block, 50% of order block, this means invalidation of order block. So we want to stay below 50% of bearish order block, we want to stay above 50% of bullish OB, right? So stop loss, I call this aggressive stop loss probably. Yeah, I guess so. So not in the street. I'm not really feel the street yet. We'll watch just for now. Guys, what do you think about the short trade? Like it? Don't like it? Why? Because when I'm comfortable to enter, I enter usually immediately, but not over here. Feel like because if it made a trace offer like better entry with conservative stop loss, safe stop loss, probably. But I don't. Yeah. So basically, equal lows is just conservative level, but once again, I'm not quite confident with this short just yet. I mean, I do like overall like lower since we closed below this sequence of up close candles. Why I don't really like this at the same time? So because order block was part of discount and premium at the same time. Mm, this probably stops me just yet. I will delete this since I'm not in trade. Yesterday I was like confident I entered immediately. Right now, not really. Um, we took this equal highs. We got minor sweep. I know. Yeah, I don't want to short just yet. And the reason is I don't like how order block covers both premium and discount. So if it could offer like more premium short, I would probably engage. Okay, guys, I will wait just for now. Okay, I'm not going to engage in this short trade because I feel like it's 50-50 trade. Same way I felt about this short, not going to lie. In real time, when I saw this short, I felt like 50-50 as well. Why I feel 50-50? Because I would like to see Asia high taken. Because I'm more bullish probably on gold. We have equal lows at 33.89.1, so that's basically key level. I will observe just yet. Just yet. I don't feel this trade yet. Okay, I'm going to switch right now quick on NQ. Let's see, maybe we can get something. But I hope to get something on gold, you know. As I said before, I will look for the test 50% of this move down. Oh, we got this. Okay. We just got a test of 50%. I don't look at this level anymore. Yeah, Asia high. Initially, when I was just looking on hourly candle, I was like, yeah, I would like to see Asia high. Just hourly chart, hourly candles seemed nice. But yeah, it's far away right now. Especially we got first sign of bearishness, continuation of lower. You said we have daily inversion for a value gap. That's why you entered long. Don't you mind to tell me the price on gold futures where you entered? So I will just understand what level you use for entry. I just want you on Steam 24/7. I don't mind, but my family will mind about this. 928 in Q for value gap. Oh, okay. Good job. Trail your stop loss. Okay. You used 1 minute chart, right? Okay. Good job. So I would say it's not like case when we have like a sweep of previous week high and previous week low level, because when we inside the consolidation, that's totally possible to see. We see inside high time frame range, so that's totally possible to see move from previous week low to previous week high. On NQ, that's pretty much often, but on gold as well, I would say. Just did perfect. Good job. Good job. So I don't see empty model just yet because it's 3-minute chart probably. But still, yeah, I don't see empty model just yet. We didn't really trade below 9 a.m. open. We're trading above so far. Yeah, I got about gold, but I would say it's possible. Especially our range becoming tight, tight, tight. So I would say I don't see the problem with this. Which indicator you like? Keeping my eyes on gold anyway right now to see if I get something. Okay, I was about to tell you guys like Epic's sale ends today, but they extended the sale. Someone told me this today on Twitter, like they're going to extend this tonight. Come on, guy, you're wrong. They extended this the 9 a.m. session. This indicator, let me send you. So it calls high time frame, candles, buy, FUDdy. Absolutely in love with it. Actually, I have a video about this on my YouTube. Yeah, that happens often. I agree with you. At the same time, but it makes sense to. Where's previous week high level? Give me 1 second. Oh, okay, I got it. It's Thursday. Okay, previous week high will not be taken this week on gold. Yes, that's 100%. But for example, move from previous day low to previous day high, or from previous day high to previous day low, possible. For example, we got this. But yes, about previous week low and high, I agree about gold just for now. On high time frame, yeah, let's do this. If you don't mind, okay, I'm going to just hide drawings probably. Let's talk about analysis on gold, not on gold, on NQ, on daily. So what we have, and that's important to mention. So basically, we got new break of structure to upside, right? So perfect. We got another break of structure to upside. That's also amazing. So also we got new intermediate term low over here. What this means? That means continuation high to take previous high. Okay, that's nice. So since we got break of structure to upside like twice, we never got retracement. So I might anticipate to get even. Oh, let me open MNQ so it's going to be easier. What I anticipate to get at this point? First, I'm going to delete drawings. So once again, we got break of structure, break of structure. I anticipate to get, even if it wants to pump, I anticipate to get move like this on daily. I refuse to believe they want to take 25k. I'm not going to lie. So maybe they want to take like sweep our current all-time high. That's okay. Absolutely nothing wrong with this. But I would like to see sell off to take low over here on daily in the near future, like next 2-3 weeks. What do you think about this, guys? Hmm? Maybe it will look like another option like this. Yeah. Yeah, it's not like for tomorrow. It's next 2-3. You said like 6 weeks. Yeah. Till October. Oh, that's interesting observation. Why do you think it's going to go up until October? Until the quarter? End of the quarter? Like I hate to predict like moves that will happen in 5 weeks because we intraday traders, who cares about what will happen in 5 weeks, right? Probably we don't care about this. Let's see if me gets a closure over here first. Below up close candle. So far just sweep. That's why I'm looking for lower. Exactly. I saw this PPI report today. It doesn't make any like if you intraday traders, it doesn't make any sense to look for like what will happen in 1 month because who cares? We are not interested in trading like 1,000 points, right? Like 20, 30 points is enough. So just current plan. I was looking for seasonality, and August normally is retracing lower, normally, but we didn't get this retrace, and probably because like as long as Trump is president will not drop a lot. I think so. don't you know? Don't you want to know the future? Not really. Why? No, I wouldn't say so. Okay. So we got sweep. So we never got any sense of reversal just yet. Probably that's why I always like I always see recommendation just like long spy, like just hold stocks. That's it. Like for a reason because then it's always like go up, right? Giveaway today exactly. I have Instagram. Yes, I have like trading Instagram, my personal Instagram, but I don't share my personal Instagram honestly with no one. So I have just if you want to follow me on my trading Instagram, just LumiTraders. You see like my handle at the bottom of your screen. No, no, no. You don't want to lose your points like in money. Just close your trading platform. Forget about trading until tomorrow. Okay, guys, we still don't have shift yet. So I'm thinking right now if we are going to close below this line, can we get moved down again to this untapped fair value gap on 2-minute chart? But we need to get the closure, so it's going to be first sign of M2 model. Oh, good job, Jack. Tomorrow, Friday was recently not that bad. Like, depends, like, hard to compare. My performance not nice on Friday, but it's okay on gold. Okay, I will read. I can read actually right now. Can translate if you want. I see your message. Oh, I see. Oh, I was looking for different daily inversion for value gap because gold chart is different. Okay, I got your point. Okay, I got your point. Okay, I see. Where's your stop loss? Do you buy? No. Do you? I don't buy physical gold. Is Trump going to speak? We never know. Like, So structure still more bullish. Yes, struggle. Let me check. I will be surprised to see if IM is dropping. It's going to be funny. Yeah, it's funny. Still funny. So I like how YM trying to trap. So the question is if YM can close below up close candle to offer move lower. We have some lows over here. Okay. Let's see if we close. We have like almost 2 minutes. Oh, it's okay. It's not 2 hour. Not great. So let's see if we close below this level. What kind of PDRs we have? Lower. I don't see any. So let's see if we get closure. We don't have the closure, so this reaction means still nothing. Let's check gold. Gold trying to drop to the equals, but I still don't feel comfortable, as I said before, to short this. Even if, let me see where it was original. Sorry, guys. Where's my arrow? Okay, stop loss was mean threshold. I already deleted, so. Anyway, even if it wants to play out, as I said before, I feel like it's 50-50. It's quite big stop loss. I agree with you. Even if it's going to play out, good for journal, but not for engaging in this trade, as I mentioned before. Choose the low. Let me see. Which low is that? Oh, okay. This one, right? Quite big drop. You anticipate to get totally possible once again. I was rather looking for continuation for a new hourly or 30-minute candle because right now it's not perfect. Okay, 5-minute chart looks better than 10-minute chart in terms of propulsion block and order block. So basically we got OB, we got propulsion block, we got nice closure, we got retest of 5-minute fair value gap, breaker, not breaker, mitigation block and order block. I just feel like it's about to form second stage of redistribution of this low time market maker sell model. But once again, I'm still not in this trade. I still don't feel this as a good trade. But let's observe this. Check 1 hour. Only one good setup this morning was short before news, which once again, I'm not disappointed that I didn't take this trade, but still, like, okay, ignoring news and like trading without bias at all, it was like nice trade, but 1 hour supply or order block, order flow. Okay, you mean better, right? What issue did you? I remember you sent me a message yesterday about trader weight, right? What kind of issue you had? What was the problem? What was the problem? I mean, how did you fix this? Okay, it's okay. Don't worry about this. Oh, we have SMT at highs. Okay, that's nice. Can we support this silver? Can we guys, can you remind me please micro asset for silver? Because I remember it was different. Who remember? Guys, who can remind me what instrument for micro CL? It's not MSI, it's something different. I just don't remember which one. Mm, no, for micro silver. Give me 1 second. I'm going to check. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Figure this out. Thank you, guys. Found it. Thank you. Thank you so much. I need to save this. 1 second. Okay. This one. This one. Okay, all right. Yes, yes. Because sometimes I just don't want to trade like 1 million on silver because it's huge stop loss. Makes sense to trade micros. So I'm actually wondering right now how we can respect SMTV's gold gold. Let's do top down analysis. Quick top down analysis. I don't have any drawings right now. I feel I'm bearish right now on silver. We got confirmed daily sweep. So if I want to just show you, give me 1 second. So look at this daily chart. We got potential sweep, right? Confirmed by hourly OB. We got fresh order block on hourly over here. We're expecting this order block. Switching right now on 3-minute chart and looking for a reaction from potential sweep on 30-minute and hourly. We got short first, and here's a continuation using gold, right? 1 second. Need to figure this out. Logically, I need to put stop loss at swing. Like, okay, ignoring this lower time frame entry, on high time frame entry is like this. That's hourly. Let me see. Maybe I will gauge on personal, not on funded for high time frame trade. Because I feel like it's first stage of market maker sell model, right? So according to this first stage, we need to get, according to my top analysis video, we need to get a sweep. We actually got the sweep. The sweep must be confirmed by lower time frame 5-minute OB, right? That's high time frame trade. Lower time frame trade is I don't like the stop loss only. Okay. Guys, what do you think about silver? That's 5-minute chart. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm going to switch on NinjaTrader. Bearish on silver. It just seems like, right? Because that's hourly setup. Here's lower time frame setup. Mm-hmm. Okay, sometimes it's nice to switch from gold to silver because silver sometimes offers better picture. Let's see if my sell towards this previous day low level. Watching right now CL. CL just, like offered straight move up and right now it's quite choppy. So I'm not interested in any trades right there. Um, oh, that's okay. An hour, okay. I always forget to compare like silver with gold because sometimes gold is choppy, but I'm looking for, let's say, for short, but silver offers better setup. Let's see if we get this move. It's low time frame setup. Here's a high time frame setup. I still don't like in Q. I traded silver pretty much often in March, and I had success with this. But yes, I agree with you. Gold looks better to trade and feels better to trade. But as you can see right now, short on gold a bit harder than on silver. Once again, we look in the same direction. This means maybe nothing wrong with this, right? It's still, it's still hard to calculate how many contracts I need to trade. Silver futures contract. Where's information about this? Contract size. I don't know why. Just trying to get information about silver contracts. Sorry, guys. I need to figure this out. I will not sleep well if I'm not going to figure this out. We have ChatGPT for this. Okay. And Are you still following quadrant here? Not really. I mean, that's good to use this, but I don't use this like regularly. So, not really. Oh, I don't want to talk about like what will happen this meeting. Can GPT. Yeah, what I would do without this, I don't know. Let's see what it's going to tell me. What it's going to tell me. Why is thinking so long? I'm going to share with you. I'm just trying to create a table how to trade silver like contract size. Okay, let's see if we get previous day low level on indicators, switch indicators. Oh, okay. Duplicate. As you can see, it didn't take equal lows still. Oh, I have video about this. Just go on my YouTube. It calls ICT indicators. All links, all settings are shared there, so you should like it. Look at gold. Gold failed to take equal lows. Like recently, classic picture to reverse a couple of uh, ticks or cents away from equal lows. Let's see if we get this move. I hate it so much. And NQ, I don't want to talk about NQ, guys, but let's take a look at this. Oh, come on. So we still don't have empty model. It's just a test of New York midnight open. Why I'm trying to reverse it failed to offer bearish shift as I mentioned before, so still nothing. Just sweep and continuation higher. I know, like I really want to see weekly open today. They said no, not today. Like you asking for too much, but that's why I don't want to look for trades on NQ and ICS because probably I'm not in sync with them. Happy with my trades yesterday on gold, solo trades. But yes, NQ almost offered complete recovery, which not my favorite. So we fully balanced this 30-minute fair value gap. We got a test of early OB. It failed to take this high, previous high, right? So let's see if we get change in the state of delivery because if it's not going to take this high before breaking below this sequence of up close candles, it's going to be a bearish sign. Should drop at this point. So basically, what I mean by this, if it's going to close below sequence of up close candles on NQ, and at the same time, it's going to fail to take. I'm sorry, guys. This high before breaking this sequence of up close candles should drop at this point. That's the plan. I'm looking right now at silver only. This short. Oh, turtle soup. Basically just turtle soup. Why gold moves button Q doesn't want to move? Hell no. Once again, I'm interested in trading in Q, not in Q, silver or gold. So silver short was better than gold, in my humble opinion. Because sometimes when I see gold like doesn't want to provide better picture, I forget to check silver, which is my mistake. Let's see. So basically, we got hourly short, we got lower time frame short. Since you asked me to repeat this, I'm not going to repeat this. You heard something that I don't want to see. Not going to repeat. Gold. If you where you short right now, so we have level at 33.79. Basically. I cannot say this. I don't know why, but you scare me, guys, right now. Yeah, I know. I'm not going to repeat this. No. No, must take previous day low level, as said before. Sugar orange juice, of course. Like, my favorite asset is to trade apple juice. Best one. Frank, you know the answer. Oh, interesting. I didn't know about this. I'm in the US for the last 9 years in Florida. Actually, I was living in Florida, then moved to North Carolina, then back to Florida. Oh, giveaway. Yeah, guys, let's do giveaway. And here we go, our short play out on silver. No, it was from here. Okay. Space Coast. I live in Space Coast. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I still like keep hearing and watching his rackets. because I need to just, to see like rocket launch and just go outside. I can see this like next to my house. So on gold, I would like to see slightly lowered, basically. Oh, you too. Maybe one day I will repeat the word for you again, but not today. So I'm watching on gold to 79.1. So basically, as I said before, I was just below this blue line, but didn't like stop loss initially. So silver was better. No worries. You're going to cut this and save to the watches later? No, for not my side. But actually, yeah, I studied in university at the University of North Carolina. North Carolina State University. But no, it was the reason. You want to long? No, you cannot. Probably, I mean, you can, but no setup for this. Continue the study. So I finished university like 2 years ago. Yeah. So, for example, we spotted some trades today, and all trades like we spotted today was based just on one single model. Guys, if you want to trade this model as well, you will like this. So nothing to hide. I'm not going to sell you any courses. So I have this video on my YouTube. Let me share with you. So guys, if you want to trade gold, silver, and CL, I mean exactly the same trades. I didn't trade gold today. Watch this video. Once again, I wasn't sure about contract size because ChatGPT was kind of slow to answer me. So I entered with one micro, one contract. So I didn't make lots of money, but I just one micro trade. I will do more contract next time. But once again, I was asking ChatGPT how many contracts I need to trade with micro with this risk, but it was so slow to answer me. I didn't have time to, like to think about this. Anyway, like, okay. Only one mic, at least to try. So no complaints about this. Mm, uh, okay. We spotted this in real time, so I did quick top-down analysis. By the way, if you want to do top-down analysis exactly as I did, just watch the videos that I sent you before and watch my last video about top-down analysis. Just one micro, sorry guys. I know it's like nothing, but at least to try. It was hourly setup, it was lower time frame setup. Try this one and try this assets. I'm not sure about top step peaks, but you should have this. Try this and let me know. It's good to know, actually. Okay, guys. Maybe it's giveaway time, right? That's right. It's giveaway time. Let's do giveaway, guys. My funded futures again. Let's finish with my funded futures to start funding ticks later. Next week. A giveaway time. Let me pin the message. It's giveaway time. Let's go, everyone, for giveaway. To complete ICT, I talked about this yesterday on my funded futures TV. So it took me like 2 years at least. And I already said yesterday, I switched from small caps, like stocks, to ICT. I didn't study something between. So I didn't even know like there's something different from stock market, like futures market. And then when I was just watch ICT videos initially, I was like, no, it's not for me. It was hard. I started watching from Mentorship 2022, like when he was posting these videos not every day, but almost every day. And yeah, it was hard. After first video, I understood absolutely nothing. I see the talk about fair value gaps. I was like, what is fair value gap? I mean, he talked about this, but I was like, how to spot this? I had no idea. It was hard. I remember this day like it happened yesterday. I was like, fair value gap. He said fair value gap so many times, and he even drew them, but I have no idea how to draw them. Like, no idea. Yeah, it was hard. And as I already said, like I wouldn't repeat this experience again because it was hard. I mean, about this short trade, I wanted to short gold, but I wasn't comfortable. I said at least like 5 times. Then I'm like, okay, I can trade silver. I happy I switched to silver like at the right time. And yes, we got SMT with gold, the 30-minute candle, and I was like, that's why I asked about micro silver because with 1 mini I wasn't ready to trade this. I tried with just one micro, guys. I know it's nothing, but to try, good. You lost me before? Yeah, I started with 2022 and I watched like video by video, but it was hard. It was extremely hard. Like, I have no idea how I understood this. I remember it took me like 2 months to understand what is breaker block because I was trying to find order block. And like back like 2022, I was trying to Google what is breaker block, but I didn't find like any information about this. ICT didn't have core content back once again 2022. And I was trying to find in his videos what is breaker block because he simply highlighted without even explanation what is breaker block. I was like, what is this? How to highlight this? Yeah, I remember like hardest part in understand ICT was not fair value gap, but breaker block. Yeah. Oh, look at our exit, so it's nice. And anything, whatever you like. You can just skip this part. I need to delete this part at all. Not trades anymore. I took just one micro short. I wasn't comfortable to trade more because I wasn't sure about how many contracts I need to trade. I asked ChatGPT because I traded silver like long time ago. I don't remember, so I asked ChatGPT to answer how many contracts I need to trade with certain risk. It was so slow to answer. I said like, okay, just one micro. Funny, right? I don't trade breaker blocks. I just remember how hard it was like when I only started. You talking about NQ? Oh, such a nice exit. But with one micro, I had only one option. Close here or like break even. No other options. Yeah, like if I want to compare right now gold and silver, agree with me, silver was better. Okay, you know, August is hard, especially on NQ. I already said like I have not best performance on NQ on my Apex accounts. Like I'm in drawdown there. Like just stop touching my Apex accounts for now and stop trading NQ for some time. So that's why I switched to trade gold and not silver. Gold, silver. I didn't trade silver for almost 5 months. It was like first time. I was looking for this short initially, but I wasn't comfortable with stop loss. Which order block? We don't have order block just yet. Interesting. It didn't take any liquidity level. So we got liquidity level lower. I was looking there. We reversed like 2 points away. Seriously? Really? Give me 1 second. How to do this? Tell me, so I will do this. Like, let's set drawdown. Okay. Did I do this? It's right. Did I do this right? So account size, like let's set drawdown like 2,500, like risk 250, entry price, profit. Okay, like 3 micros, right? Oh, good. Thank you for letting me know. I'm going to save this. Always learn something new. Yes, I trade through the wait account. So as you can see, we still didn't break this low, like didn't close below this low, but also we didn't take new high. So here's idea once again. If it's not going to take this high next before drop into this blue line, so should drop. Let's see. Next question. Guys, you bullish or bearish on Q right now? Current, like current structure seems more bullish, like overall bullish, but we don't have change in the state of delivery, so I wouldn't long just yet. Okay. NQ was garbage for me last 3 months. It was main reason I talked about once again about this yesterday on my Funded Futures TV. Main reason why I switched trading gold and CL was like I wasn't able to spot a good entry on NQ at all. Like yeah, I had some winners, but it's not what I wanted to see from my trading. Okay, guys, let's back on gold. It's already wrong time to trade it, but still. We got equal low taken, but it failed to take by sell side liquidity over here. Like, okay, it could be better than we have right now. Okay, after this, it inverted this remnant fair value gap. We have potential sweep, but look at this rejection. So we got order block, minor closure. And also we have 5 minute. It's better to see on 5 minute. We have low resistance to upside. What level we would like to aim for on gold? On 5 minute chart, we don't have shift in structure yet. Bullish. Give me 1 second. I'm going to bring your message back. Bullish and NQ if you close above data high and have changed in the state of delivery since we have our data also forming okay, and breaker block of the daily fair value gap. Okay, I got your point. Like NQ permanently bullish. It is what it is. So as you can see, we don't have our fair value gap on NQ, but we do have small one on. Sorry guys, we have small one on ES. It never offered empty model as well, so like no empty model today at all. We got complete recovery, right? So let's see if once again it may take this high over here. So it's going to be a attempt to over bullish shifting on hourly again. Absolutely nothing but I would like to trade on NQ. On 5 minute chart, we still don't have shift in structure to upside. I'm not long on gold yet to trade something here. Guys, I pinned message in the chat if you would like to participate in giveaway. Go for it. Will you consider 5 minute? What you mean for? Yeah, for short. For short or for long? You're talking about this one, right? You said 5 minute bullish. Yeah, this one to take data high, like for scalp, quick scalp, like this. I didn't trade in Q today. I took just small size on silver short. Oh yeah, if like for scalp, that's fine, I believe. Oh, by the way, if you're beginner, ICT beginner, I have like perfect post for you. I'm going to send you in a moment. Give me 1 second. Um, 1 second. Going to send you post right now. What? Cannot find it. Give me 1 second. I will try to find it on my phone. I have trouble right now to find good post. Give me 1 second. ICT. Yeah, found it. Okay, 1 second. Going to post in the chat right now. 1 second. Seriously? This post, guys. Here we go. Watch this post, guys. I did my best to collect all lessons in one post. Even ICT commented under this post. So I hope it's going to help you. Okay. Bullish now where? On gold? Let's see if we get 5 minutes shift in structure to long this. I don't mind. On Instagram as well. Just better quality, I guess. Guys, at 11 I will announce winners. If you would like to participate in giveaway, see pinned message in the chat. So we still don't have shift in structure over here on 5-minute chart to consider reversal. Interesting hourly candle and 4 candle so far. But let's see if we get shift in structure. So at this point, I will look for long. Otherwise, no, thank you. Once again, I'm not interested in trading in Q at all, but maybe gold. Because yesterday I entered gold around the same time, like next to 11, which is wrong time, but still. I'm really in small profit right now because I took only one micro short on silver. This short, like, look at our exit, at my exit over here. That's nice. Okay, we got potential hourly sweep, right? And 30-minute sweep. This sweep confirmed by 5-minute OB already, but let's see. So we got displacement, basically displacement after we got break above down close candle. We need to see the trace and back to discount. Let's see if we get the retracement first. It doesn't look that bad on 3-minute chart, but on 5-minute chart, please. Time frame, you can see at the bottom of screen, so it's 3-minute chart, and here's 5-minute chart. I'm just trying to tell you we don't have 5-minute shift to long gold. If you want to long this, I don't want because we don't have a shift. Yeah, I have indicator like to see. It's for you indicator, by the way, to see time frame. Also, I will add indicator somehow to show the time with seconds because I have widget before, but it stopped working. Need to write new one. 388. Not yet. You want to see off 3-minute chart? 5-minute chart by there. Let's see if we get this shift in structure to upside of 5-minute OB. We don't have it yet. I have only one level higher on NQ. It's forced in a deviation at 24 or 78. So it's only levels that I have. But once again, you know, I don't want to trade in Q. As I said before, like I'm not doing good right now on NQ. I just want to be transparent. Like my Apex right now in drawdown because I'm taking losses on Q over and over again. But my funded futures is green because I trade only gold and silver. Like not silver. I traded silver first time on this account. But once again, I already like I was kidding with my friends. Like I said, once I blew my account with Apex, it's going to be because of NQ, and I'm going to stop trading NQ forever. Yeah, I was trying to hold this account for 6 months, but okay, no complaints. You know, this happens. We all blow accounts sometimes. Because I remember someone like a couple of months ago asked me like, when last time like you blow your Apex account? I said like it's still not blown, but it's close to this, so it's okay. I don't touch this right now because I don't know how to recover this. I don't want to like simply to blow this because but it's bad right now. I don't know if you can use empty mud on silver. Yeah, once again, I'm not sad about this because I always can pass new portion of accounts. I hope I managed my risk properly overall because I was with these accounts for 6 months. You know, I don't want to full port something. I just wasn't drawdown. Exactly same situation happened in October last year. I wasn't drawdown like couple of weeks in a row, like just trade. Pretty much similar situation with Apex right now. This is how I blew my accounts before last year. So this happens. Activation is expensive, yeah. So maybe, you know, guys, if I'm going to blow 20 accounts with Apex funded accounts, maybe I'm just going to focus on TradeDeFi, straight to funded account, my funded futures, and take profit trader. Just will take a break from Apex. But once again, I love Apex. I had zero issue with this. But once again, maybe we'll just focus on different prop firms for a little bit. But at least I just want to be transparent with you. So this is what is going on with me. It just happens once again. No one talks about this, but I want to talk about this. I didn't blow accounts for as long time. It's still alive, but it's close to this. I'm green right now on my funded futures accounts. And that's it. I have Take Profit Trader, my funded futures. I have straight to funded accounts from Funding Ticks and TradeDeFi. Just, you know, I need to trade like more other accounts because I was stuck with Apex accounts for a long time. Like I love them. I love how I can trade 20 accounts. I like how I can take payouts with them. But once again, I will take a break if I'm going to blow them. I'm just not sure I'm going to recover them. It's hard. But maybe I will just trade one micro to keep them alive because I have like, I don't pay for them. It's like lifetime activation fee. It was nice for me to like trade with them. I had zero issue with payouts. Like I never had any issue. But it is what it is. Just want to be like transparent with you because no one talks about this. But I will let you know if it's going to be blown one day. Yeah. I'm close to blow them, but once again. Funny to say, like, I decided to just once again to trade NQ on Apex account and gold on Take Profit Trader and my funded futures. My Take Profit Trader and my funded futures fat green account, like overall for the last 2 months. It's funny to say, and I'm about to blow like Apex account. Crazy. Yeah. So I'm fine with this. It's lesson for me. 387. Basically, we have a sell side liquidity lower. As you can see, it's still struggling with shifting structure to upside on 5-minute chart. For example, this week I was focused on take profit trade in my funded futures. I took just one loss. Where? On NQ. You probably want to ask me, like, Dasha, why you traded NQ on my funded futures? I will tell you, I don't know. It could be like pretty much green months, but it's okay. I recovered my loss yesterday. Trading gold again. Yes, yes, we don't have long on gold yet. Guys, can you see long right now on gold? Yeah, it's part of the game. I don't see long just yet, but probably I will see long only above. My crazy arrow. But so far, we still left room to go lower. And as long as we stay below this level, keep sweeping this, I would like to see lower. I had like 10,000 payouts. I just don't share certificate, but I share it with my friend in Discord. Like 10,000, even more per account, right? Anyway. You know, I didn't share like payouts. I share with my friends, but not publicly. And because I didn't see reason to share this. Who cares about this? Yeah, like big numbers. When you share big numbers, people think like, oh, you're so smart, so let me follow them, let me follow her or him, let me copy her trades. No, it's not for me. I have nothing to prove. Okay, we still have sweep, right? Last time, beginning of August, like 10,000. I don't remember the day. It was beginning of August. You're so funny. Thank you. So, a bit more than 10,000. No, not with Epics. I'm great in Epics. I already said that. Did you attempt to trade? What is TD? Yeah, I use TapStep. I stopped using TapStep because I stopped trading with, working with TradeAway. It's not for me. I don't like. I was trying to trade with TapStep X, but one thing, it's hard for me to trade NinjaTrade and TapStep X at the same time. So I had to trade either like TapStep or my other accounts. So I stopped working at all with them because they stopped offering TradeAway. It's not for me. TradeAway is the way to go. So as you can see, it failed to offer shift instruction, still trying to go lower. Let's see if we get sell side first with fresh reaction. It's still bearish. I know, like, it's not for me. Are you single? Not really. I'm married for almost 9 years, so I'm old enough. Close to 30s. I'm single for trading, exactly. Yeah, market maker model, sell model, exactly. So let's see if my get sell side liquidity taken at 33.78. So I'm not in this short. So once again, I didn't like short overall on gold. I don't look like this. Thank you. I guys, I have 2 kids. But that's interesting to say. But my husband introduced me to ICT, overall to trading. Like he said, like it's hard for me. Maybe it will be easier for you. Just try. And I said, okay, let's do this. Yeah. Someone called me. Of course, I didn't see this. Here's my 2 kids. See this? I'm not lying. I have 2 boys. Yeah. Like before I found like this indicator, which is hide from candles by FIDE indicator, I just used to switch from high time frame to low time frame, but in reality I just use time frame alignment chart. You can just save this, take screenshot if you would like. Let me find this. I put this somewhere. Oh, over here. Okay. Here's time frame alignment chart. So for top-down analysis, I do if we have floor structure, let's say, I will switch on 15-minute chart to find entry. If we have hourly structure, I will switch on 5-minute chart to find the entry. If it's like 30-minute structure, I will switch on 3-minute chart to find entry. I don't trade 1-minute chart, but it's time frame alignment chart that I use every day. I have a video about market maker model. Actually, I have 2 videos. Interesting, like yesterday was searching for classes, basketball classes for kids, because I cannot teach my kids. Like, no, thank you. And schedule is crazy. So we have hockey classes, we have some other other classes, sport classes, and I was trying to find like maybe soccer or basketball for kids. And schedule is crazy, just crazy. It was hard to tell my son like there's no soccer this year. He wanted to play this, but okay. I'm just trying to keep my kids busy, so they don't need to sit at home to watch TV. So like hockey class is my favorite. Ice skating classes also. We have ice skating classes. We have hockey classes. But I cannot teach my kids anything. It's just not for me. Not for me. Yeah, kids speak Russian, but this fight, my oldest son Nathan he doesn't want to speak at all Russian, but I force him, but it's hard. Like he miss languages like between Russian and English. But probably he feel like his mind like is more like English than Russian, because when I speak with him Russian, like speak Russian, he answers English, like English words. I'm like, Nathan, stop doing this, but it's hard for him. But Daniel's fine. He speaks Russian at home. He speaks English at daycare, like zero issue. I don't know why, but oh, I'm not better than you. I'm exactly the same trader as you, so I learn something new every single day. I'm just chilling on YouTube with you guys. That's it. I'm in the US for 9 years. Yeah, crazy. I'm not going to teach my boys anything. It's hard for me to be calm. I mean, like they're too small, and they don't have Belarusian passport. They only have US passport, so it's hard overall to go to Belarus right now. He trades, yes, some from time to time. He has some fund accounts as well. Overall trade for almost 4 years overall. Almost 4, not 4 yet, but almost 4. Still 3, like I started in 2022, like 3.5 seems like. It's hard, it's hard to explain. I mean, some Russian friends asked me to teach him how to trade, them how to trade in Russian. But initially, I started learning trading in English, and in Russian, it's just impossible to explain stuff in Russian because I have no idea how to translate some words in Russian. Oh no, his trades mostly better than mine. He trades in Q. I don't know how he trades in Q, but his trades are nice compared to mine. Because when he shows me his trades, I was like, how? Like how? And usually he tells me like only like kid would not enter here, and I feel like, really? Okay. Because his entry like usually at the very bottom or the very top. I'm like, how you do this? And he's like, it was obvious. I mean, like, what was obvious? I remember like maybe it was 2 days ago or when it was. It was Monday or Tuesday. He traded ES and he said like, you didn't trade long on ES? Why? Like it was like A plus 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 entry and only kid would enter here. I was like, all right, okay, okay. So yeah, I don't know how he's doing this, but no, he trades. He mixing ICT with some other concept. I don't know what he trades, but his interest for some magical reason nice. Yeah, maybe when it's his scalper, I don't know, like sometimes he has like 200 points straight. I'm like, how? And he shows me like his screenshots. Like I'm usually say like I would trade it close. He said like why? I said like I don't know, but it's okay. So I mean like we all see different market differently, right? I know how he's doing this, but he's better than me and ES and NQ probably, especially recently. Yeah, I know how he's doing this. Let's see if gold continue dropping. Let's take a look at silver. So silver trying to respect a new 30-minute fair value gap, right? We got potential sweep. We swept this flat candle on 30-minute chart. We got immediate rebalance on hourly chart. We got inversion. But if I want to trade continuation of short, I don't have the model to trade this yet. Not set up to trade this yet, unfortunately. I mean, I already traded silver, maybe something on gold again. On gold, I would like to see lower. We have zero signs of a long setup just yet. Shift in structure failed to be presented, right? So let's see if we get something good. In Q, I don't want to analyze in Q and ES, guys. I'm not doing well in Q and ES recently. I mean, you know, like I saw lots of complaints about in Q and ES price action on Twitter, and I was like, gold was amazing. Why not to trade other markets? So yeah, I just don't understand this, but it's okay. Trade just one micro today on silver, just one micro. It's nothing. I know, but still. Oh, check. Let's check YM real quick. YM just tested 50% of this move down after news, while ES and NQ already broke this data high. We have strong SMT. I don't know if I can consider this a strong SMT. Um, yeah, I'm trying to look at YM. I tested this a little bit with RTY, but still, Still, sometimes I would like to just compare like bias on ES and Q, and I see like short setup on NQ and ES, and actually it's dropping while I'm watching same short setup on YM, but YM is pumping hard. Uh, Interesting to see how YM just really stuck at 50, like OT of this range, while NQ and ES already broke the high. We never got M2 model, by the way, for short, but M2 model definitely for short. Let's see if we get M2 model right now. Not sure, but let's see. We broke data high. 2R is going to be... Um, 1 second. We hit a small hourly inversion. We got breaker block. So it's late M2 model for short. We don't have M2 model on ES. Let's see if we get this M2 model on NQ. Not going to engage in this trade. So far, it's like no drawdown trade. I'm conservative, so I will look for only 2R. Like, okay, logically, let's think. I'm not in this trade, just in case you're wondering about this. Okay. Just logically, let's think about this trade. Okay, we hit hourly inversion fair value gap. Basically, we have hourly BPR. We hit order block. We hit breaker block. We broke above data high. We traded above 10 a.m. and 9 a.m. open. We got M2 model. So basically, a 2-minute order block. Also, we got 2-minute inversion fair value gap. I know, it's... Seems good. What do you mean one time fee? You're probably talking about not my funded futures, but funded next futures. Okay. It was one hour trade so far. Yeah, it's bullish, just retracement. I see volatility on tape right now for no reason. So it's empty model. I need to see how it's going to play. So far, just like 1 hour, barely 1 hour trade. Going to observe this. Seems like it's 2-minute chart on both ES and Q. On NQ, we just hit 2-minute fair value gap. And on micro and QB never hit this, right? But I would like to observe if we can get to R on this trade. I can see hourly. I don't need to switch. Okay, we got potential SIP, but this potential SIP never was confirmed by 3-minute order block. It's okay, so we have M2 model only so far. And the reasoning probably is hourly chart hit some bearish PD raise. I'm not talking about reversal because, like recently every single bearish PD ray in high time frame wasn't validated. So I don't know. But once again, I said, recently my performance not best on NQ, so I would like to just tape read this trade. Let's read the tape right now. Let's see how it goes. So basically, I'm watching for the test of sell side. Yes. Somewhere here. Let's see if we get this. 50% of daily week. Let me check real quick. I see this. Okay. I'm not talking about reversal because market is quite bullish, but I'm talking about a retracement. Let's see. Interesting to see how micro and Q failed to test this 2-minute fair value gap, while NQ actually tested this. Right? Guys, if you would like to participate in giveaway, you have 1 more minute and I will start announcing winners. So CP in message in the chat, guys. And if you would like to participate in giveaway, just fill this form. Free to fill, so. Interesting day. Interesting day to observe price action like on NQ. Just did the tape so far. Watching lower on gold. Give me 1 second. To take sell side at already 79. It's approaching like 5 points away. Also interesting to see what we can get on NQ. Can we get empty model? So basically end of empty model is going to be over here. Let's see if we get to R. Watching gold lower. I'm wondering if no, I didn't see any other stop. Also interesting to see how gold actually dropping, which I like, but silver stuck. I guess silver is done because best time to trade silver mostly before market open. Like okay, last time is 10. How to enter giveaway? See pin message in the chat. Like just pin your eyes up in the chat. It calls like giveaway with fire icon. Just fill the form. And that's it. And that's it. Dun, 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 dun. Don't say I'm not saying this. I'm saying like we playing move down. Oh, look at the yes, by the way. It's empty model for short on NQ. Here's empty model just presented on yes. Giveaway, it's giveaway done. Yeah, like 1 more minute to enter giveaway, guys, and I will start announcing winners. Okay. How to win giveaway? I have no idea. Never won something in my life. I still buy evaluations to trade by myself, so no one giving me this for free. Spending my money on this. So for example, my funded futures accounts, I'm giving them away, but I'm buying on my own them, so to trade for my personal use. Spending my time, my money on this. Maybe one day I will win giveaway, but who knows? Chevy price action. Okay, guys, time to win giveaway. Let's do this. And let me. Yesterday was scale plan, today is core plan. How many people we have? We have 375. Okay. Oops. First win at 259. 259 is. I'm going to send you in the chat. Give me 1 second. Just going to highlight with green color. Not to miss him. Let's go. First winner. Also going to put on my chart. Okay, next one. Best one. 256. Oh, close to this. Okay. 256 is. I know who it is. I know some like usernames, but I don't know who it is. Why everyone too? Okay, start with 271, close to each other. Okay. From Google Form. I can show you Google Form, but I don't want to show you emails, people emails. Congratulations! No way. Congratulations, you did this. Congratulations, guys. Tomorrow another giveaway. Will we continue doing my funded features or funding ticks tomorrow? Which one? Funding ticks? My funded features. Funding ticks? My funded features. Which one? Let's vote. Okay, 1 in the chat if my funded futures, 2 in the chat if funding ticks. Scam. No, let's do one by one. 1 if my funded futures, 2 if funding ticks. I'm so sorry. So it was random selection. Oh, lots of ones. Okay. 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 My funded futures. Okay. Yesterday was okay. 3 scale. Today, August 14, 3 core plans. Tomorrow, scale plan again. August 15. 3 scale. Okay. Done. It's okay. So this means if tomorrow I'm going to do my funded features on Monday, I will do, or Tuesday I will do funding ticks. Okay. So I normally risk, like, especially this month, around 300, 350 to trade. Yeah, if tomorrow my funded futures, because most people voted for my funded futures, but on Monday or Tuesday we'll do funding ticks. So don't worry about this. No, I trade micros, so I risk around like $300, 350, so something like this. Yes, per trade. So for example, on Tuesday, I lost $329 and I was trying to short NQ with 1 mini. So I lost, including commissions, $329. This means I don't want to risk more for the day. I wasn't in sync with market, so I lost this. Tomorrow I made more. I made around like $500 on my short trade on gold. So I covered my loss from Tuesday and made extra a bit more. You still believe gold's going to go higher? I don't mind to gold higher. I already said that, but I don't mind to see gold higher from sell side. I think so. Yes, empty model. Yes, here it is. Empty model for short. We have empty model for short right now. Let's see where it's 1.5 R. It's basically break-even spot. Okay, break-even spot over here. So basically, once we take New York Midnight Open's break-even spot, equals which one? No. Like in dollars, yes. You said you're holding. Let me check this. Nice move up. What did you use to enter the trade? Order block on 15? Here. Oh, it's empty model, just empty model. So let's see. Once again, if it's going to hit New York Midnight Open, it's going to be 1.5 R from original entry, and it's going to be break-even spot. You cannot move at break-even right now because it's not 1.5 R according to the rules, right? Huh, okay, got it. Good trade. Nice trade. 896. Oh, yeah. I agree with your level. Here's 2R. It's not even 1.5 R still. Oh yeah, so basically on the tip, like you can aim for liquidity levels. That's nice, but I found it better for me to just trade for 2R, and once it hit 1.5 R, trail stop loss to break even. That's it. So if it's not 1.5 R, okay, I will let go to my stop loss in case I'm wrong. But once it hit 1.5 R, I'm going to just move at break even. It's going to be basically free trade, right? Even right now, we don't have like 1.5 R yet. Just yes. Like maybe 3 months ago, I was aiming for liquidity levels every single time, like standard deviation projections, liquidity levels. But then I switched to just 2R and that's it. Like 2R. And like, okay, if you have liquidity lower, that's amazing. That's brilliant. I will be conservative, just will go for 2R. Even if it's going to be just 15 points. Who cares? And once it hits 1.5R, always I move at break even. 99.9% I move at break even. Yeah, I mean, once again, it's not 1.5R. Just be ready to be stopped in case it's going to reverse. Do you see the problem with this? I don't see the problem with this. Just you must have rules to trade something, right? Because it's hard to try to avoid losses every single day. I mean, how many times you stopped at break even simply because you didn't want to lose? Many times. Just sometimes need to accept the loss. This is what I do on NQ recently. Just accept the loss, Dasha. That's it. That's me on my Apex account. I just like I will accept the loss today. I will do tomorrow better. Like tomorrow, lost again. Like August rules, it's okay. I mean, like just trade small size, like 2 micros. With 2 micros, you're going to risk like $120. Mm-hmm. Which broker? This one? Which broker you trade? I will compare with gold. Just tell me. Okay. You said daily. Okay, let's see. You mean volume and balance over here? Okay. We should take this low first. I still believe in this low. Look at this potential sweep on daily. We should drop to Tuesday low. I can be wrong, just Tuesday low makes sense. First. No? Let's wait for Tuesday low first. To take Tuesday low and then watch for the action. We have, yes, we have order block, we have breaker block. So I would, yeah, I would look for something like this. Up, like this. Yeah, I will send you email. I will try tomorrow, maybe today. But I promise, people who won yesterday and today will get your accounts this week. Yeah, Tuesday low makes sense. Still, kind of makes sense to me. It's break even spot right now, as you can see. MT model offered 1.5 break even partial level, right? Yeah, look for conservative targets. I mean, maybe it will drop lower. Who cares? We got 1.5R on MT model. Oh, Trump speaks today at 1 p.m. Oh, I didn't know about this. You mean for equal lows? Yeah, we just hit 1.5R. It's I cannot give you financial advices, but it's break even spot just in case you want to trail stop. You're welcome. Yes, good job. So your equalos ideally should be taken. At least you are, you know. It's funny to say like we have to wait for empty model like almost 2 hours to get 67 points. That's crazy. But like 1.5 hour like definitely can be partial. Like spot where we are right now is partial level. Yes. Hold your trade. Break even is like free trade. Yeah, that's definitely could be better price action. USDRT. I have no idea what is this. It's according to the model, so there's no any other options for this model. Only swing point, pivot point must be stop loss. There's no other option. When you see big stop loss, best idea is just to trade small size. Right? Let's pull some projections to see where we are right now. Oh, look at this. How two standard deviation lines up with 2R. Should take this level. Pretty much confident. Like 100%, 101% confident we must take a 2R. Especially lines up with standard deviation projection. Like, no way. No way it's going to fail. So stop loss definitely can be moved right now to the swing high, basically protected high, right? Oh, 2R. Okay, we hit this. But I still hate in Q, nothing changed. First in the deviation right at 9 a.m. open. Anyway, finally M2 model play out. Just took forever. Will be fine to see like straight move up to force in the down to force in the deviation at 841.50. This huge retracement. I have video about this you can watch on my YouTube channel. Video calls like M2 model, right? The test of previous day low level again. You changed your glasses? No, what's wrong with them? I don't use macro. I mean, I do use macro for the like last 20 minutes to trade gold. It's 950, 1010, but like macro itself, not really. It works, I believe, but not really for me. Do you use first plan for a gap? No, I don't. Nothing wrong. I don't know. Like, no, I didn't change anything. Like, I didn't expect that much as well. So we have forced standard deviation right at 9 a.m. open, 8:41. Still don't know if it's going to hit this level. We got a test of previous day low level. We have some low resistance to downside on ES. We have some equal lows lower, which is also previous day low level. Let's see how it goes. Well, guys, it was nice to talk with you today. I will see you guys tomorrow for new giveaway, for new opportunity. I will start early once again at 8:40 a.m. to trade pre-market gold. I hope to get gold to pre-market, not for after market open, or maybe we will check silver. So, um, thank you for watching me. Thank you for subscribing me, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Take take care, guys. Yeah, guys. Good luck. Don't make stupid mistakes. It's lunch. Enjoy your day. Yeah, my butt hurts already. Time to stand up. Okay, guys. See you.